welcome back to Super Mom TV. Today I'm doing a Mother's Day edition. So I have this Mother's Day campaign that encourages working mothers to actually cook for their family. So for myself, I often cook at least like 3 times a week for my family. Do you like mommy's cooking?
Yes.
So which one you like the most?
Salmon fish rice.
The salmon fish rice you like the most. So how I learned all this cooking is actually inspired by my mom. My mom already passed away 6 years ago. She cooked every single day last time. She literally cooked 3 dishes and 1 soup every single day. The most memorable one is this steamed pork with egg and salted egg. So I was born and raised in Malaysia, and when I came to Singapore to work, I started to miss my mom's dishes very much. After I have my own family here, I started to learn how to cook. What did my mom cook for me when I was young? So this dish came in mind, and I tried my best to search online on the recipe, and also I asked my mother-in-law how to make this dish. So it was really a success, and my kids love it. So even my husband loved it a lot. I'm quite busy with work, so I always look for the easiest and most nutritious way to cook my dishes. To whip up a meal for dinner, it takes only for about 45 minutes, so later I will show you. So now I need to marinate the minced meat. To put some salt, some white pepper, some sesame oil, some soy sauce. I will also use some egg whites of the salted egg white. Just use half of it. And you keep the egg yolk. Now you can mix the marinade and the salted white egg together. Beat 2 eggs. Put a dash of pepper, white pepper. For the minced meat just now, you need to add some corn flour. Just a little bit. Mix well. And then mix the beaten eggs together with the minced pork. Mix out. The salted egg yolk, you need to dice it smaller. Then you can top it on top of the minced pork mixture. Place the rounded one on top so it looks prettier. So my cooking is always very simple. From preparation till the whole dinner takes about 1 hour. Any working mother, after they knock off, you can actually cook this for your family. It's really easy. It's really very easy. So I started cooking at about 5:30. Yeah, so let's see what time I finish cooking later. See you. So I'm cooking the rice now. I usually cook just 1 cup of rice. You know last time how my mom teach me how to measure the water for the rice? She will teach me to put in to put in the whole palm, and the water needs to rise up to just on top of my palm. But after I started cooking, I actually know that there are such thing as cups, right? So 1 cup of rice equivalent to 1 cup of water. So nowadays it's so much easier. Yep. So all these rice cooker nowadays will come with a steamer on top, and I will put the minced pork on the steamer and it will cook together. So it's so easy, right? Once the rice is cooked, the steamed pork will be cooked too. So my dad is a Cantonese and he loves soup. Every single day my mom has to boil soup for him. So my mom is a type that is very traditional kind of woman that uses the charcoal type to boil soup. She boils for like 1 whole day, at least 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. And he doesn't use the electric pot. So she used the ceramic pot on charcoal. Sometimes she felt very tired, so she will come up with just a normal boiled soup which you can cook within 20 minutes. I miss this soup when I'm abroad, so that's why I make this soup, and I'm proud to say the taste is quite similar to what my mom have made. So this soup is called Kei Tong. So I'm a Cantonese, and this soup is called the Chinese Boxthorn soup. The Boxthorn is actually a type of vegetable with a lot of thorns, and you have to be very careful with the thorns. So now we move to making the Chinese Boxthorn soup. So I'll prepare marinate the minced pork first. So I'll put sesame oil, some soy sauce. So all my measurement is all aggregation, so I don't like to go according to recipe. Yeah, as you cook more, you will roughly know how much to put the ingredients. Yep, sorry, just now some salt, and this is very important, some corn flour to make your meats smoother. Yep. Now just mix them well and set aside. So now we have to prepare the Chinese Boxthorn vegetables. Yeah, it has a lot of thorn, so you have to be careful. You see all the thorn? I got poked by it many times. Wait, this one. You see the thorn? It's really painful. So when you need to just take off the leaves and wash them. So this one is to make the Kei soup, Boxthorn soup. Just add some oil, add in some minced garlic. And you add the leaves. You can smell the fragrance of the Kei already. Put some salt. Now you add about 2 cups of water and let it boil. So once the water begin to boil, you can put in the pork, the minced pork. Just put in bit by bit. So for this soup, you can actually either put some tofu or fish balls, but I don't have those now. And my son actually loves this dumpling, this gyoza dumpling. Yeah, so I will put some of this. And lastly, you can put 1 egg. I run out of egg, so I'm going to replace it with salted egg. I remove half of the egg whites So yeah, just pour the whole thing in. I'm gonna put some salt. Turn down the heat a little so that let it simmer for a while. You can add some soy sauce and also some sesame oil. And let it simmer for a while, about 5 minutes or so. So my soup is done and my rice is done too. So steamed pork with egg and salted egg is look like this. So it's fully cooked. And I'll show you what time is it now. It's less than 1 hour. So 6:20 I finished cooking. Actually just now 6:10 I was really relaxing because I was just waiting for the rice to finish steaming. So yeah, I think it took less than 45 minutes for me to finish one meal. Is it nice? Yum yum. So I've whipped up these two dishes that is most memorable to me, and I wish to share this recipe to all the mothers out there. I hope you try this recipe at home and try to cook for your family. Try to cook at least 3 times a week. The purpose of this video is to inspire the working mothers out there to cook for your family, and I need to prove to you that it is not difficult at all, and it only takes 45 minutes to cook. It's healthy and it's very easy and simple ingredients. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like my little guest today. Yeah, so this is in conjunction with Mother's Day. I thought that this video is ideal for this Mother's Day campaign that I come across. So I hope you like today's sharing, and I hope you find that this Mother's Day campaign is meaningful to you. If yes, please give it a like, share my video, and follow me on my social media. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you will be notified every time the new video is out. And a little message to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day! Yes, this side here, just like that. Go. Cover the whole thing, cover the whole thing. Yeah.